I'm Tiger, and I'm gonna to tell you the Unit 2 Multimodal presentation. Reality or not, illusion such as magic, optical illusions such as art techniques, Photoshop images, deep fakes, makeup, special effect, TV, movies, and green screens, CGI set design. What is the illusion? And the idea of belief that is not true, something that is not what seems to be, and misinterpretation of a real sensory stimulus, misleading images as a visual stimulus. How is the illusion works? When our brain and eyes try to speak to each others in a simple language, but interpretation gets a bit mixed up. How does it work? Generally, how our eyes and brains process, and the information is all that is the consider of a visual illusion. The brain and eyes are tricked into seeing and not seeing through images, colors and patterns of the object or picture, and that is how an illusion works. Example of an optical illusion. Do you see something is moving? Well, it's not really moving. It's just your brain to be confused by these pictures. And sometimes our brain get confused, and this can mean the brain thinks things are moving, but they aren't. And you might see shapes, shades, or colors that aren't really there. And you can see the bottom picture. A and B square is the same color, but if you see all of it, you can't see the A and B square is the same color, but it's the same, and this is the illusion happens. And this is a illusion example of a zacking. Like zacking is taking pictures and making illusion of us in mind, and we think that things can't take out by a screen or things. So this is the illusion works. Yeah. And next is a deep fakes example. You can see that things are different. The person that is different too, but it can change the face to the to others people's face. And special effect in movies such as CGI. And you can see that things in movies that are green screens like this. The compare. Yeah, the compare of CGI and non-CGI. And the conclusion. Our brain is like a super machine, but it's smart, and sometimes our brain get confused by things are trying to tell our brain. But these can mean that the brain thinks things aren't moving, but actually it's moving. And or you might see shapes, shade, or color that aren't really there. A lot of scientists are trying to make a conclusion of why our eyes and our brain gets illusions. But the truth is, in cases, we still don't know how our eyes and for actually how our brains and eye works together create this illusion. Thank you. And is the citation. Thank you.